Imagine never having to deal with a runny nose or sore throat again. Most people run to the pharmacy for pills, but what if the real solution was simpler? Stick around to discover 10 natural ways to boost your immune system, surprisingly easy habits, and items that will keep colds at bay forever. Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into these incredible immune-boosting tips, do me a favor. If you're ready to say goodbye to those pesky colds, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Trust me, you won't want to miss our future videos packed with health hacks that'll change your life. Today, we're spilling the beans on 10 natural ways to supercharge your immune system so you can finally kiss those sniffles goodbye. First things first, what's the deal with our immune system? Well, think of your body as a walled city. Your skin and the inside of your nose and mouth are like the city walls. They keep most of the troublemakers like viruses and germs out. But the reality is, some might still get in. That's where immune cells come in. They're like cops always on patrol, looking for any infections causing trouble. When they spot something fishy, they jump into action right away. And immune cells remember these threats. But what if the cops need backup? No worries. They've got a special hotline called cytokines to call in the big guns T and B cells. These are like the SWAT team trained to handle more complex tasks. After they beat the bad guys, your T and B cells remember their appearance. So if those same germs and viruses try to cause trouble again, your body is ready for them. It's like they've got wanted posters all over your insides. Sometimes, when there's a big fight going on, your body might call for even more help. That's when you get a fever or feel achy. We call this inflammation. It's just your body working extra hard to kick those germs and viruses out. For all this to work smoothly, your immune system team needs to communicate and collaborate. Otherwise, you might develop infections and allergies. Let's start with our first immune booster. Vitamin C-rich foods. Vitamin C is a big deal. It helps make more white blood cells, boosts natural killer cells, and strengthens skin and mucous membranes. But here's the thing. Many people, especially those under stress or with specific health issues, might have low vitamin C levels. This can make it harder for their immune system to work well. So load up on vitamin C-rich foods. Think citrus fruits, berries, and kiwi. Vegetables like bell peppers, tomatoes, and broccoli are great too. You can also take a vitamin C supplement if you're stressed or sick. Next up, we've got garlic. Garlic has allicin. This compound helps your white blood cells fight off viruses. Plus, garlic is rich in sulfur that helps your body soak up zinc, which is excellent for your immune system. The sulfur in garlic also keeps your gut healthy. And a healthy gut means a strong immune system. Eat 1 raw garlic clove every day or take garlic supplements. Or cook it at low heat. If you cook it too hot, like above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it loses some of its nutrients. So be careful. Scientists even back this up. They did a study with 146 people. Group A took garlic supplements, and Group B took a placebo. Group A had a 63% lower chance of catching a cold. Although they didn't recover faster than the others, they got sick less often. Now let's talk about echinacea. It's an herb used for centuries to fight off colds. Echinacea does this by activating your macrophages. These special cells attack bacteria, helping to shorten the duration of colds and the flu. For best results, take echinacea supplements when you feel a cold coming on. One review showed taking echinacea could lower the chance of an upper respiratory infection by 22%. So give echinacea a try next time you feel a cold coming. Moving on to number 4, probiotics. These little guys are the good bacteria that live in your gut. And guess what? About 70% of your immune system is in your gut. So keeping those good bacteria happy is vital to staying healthy. Probiotics do a lot of good stuff for your immune system. They support your gut microbiome, help strengthen the gut barrier, and stop harmful bacteria from getting into your blood. Ready to give your gut a probiotic party? It's easier and tastier than you might think. Scoop up some creamy yogurt for breakfast. Sip on tangy kefir as a midday treat. Or add a zesty kick to your sandwich with some crunchy sauerkraut. The key is finding what works for you. Your taste buds and your tummy will thank you. 5th on our list is exercise. It increases the circulation and mobilization of various immune cells, making detecting and fighting infections easier for your body. Plus, exercise helps lower levels of pro-inflammatory cytokines and oxidative stress. This means less inflammation and a better functioning immune system. So, how much exercise should you do? Researchers found that aerobic exercise at a moderate to vigorous intensity for 30 to 45 minutes increases the recruitment and circulation of the immune system's best defensive cells. All right, let's talk about sleep. When you're sleeping, your body gets busy making these tiny messengers called cytokines. Think of them as the immune system's text messages, sending out important updates to all parts of your body to keep your defenses in the loop and ready for action. But that's not all. Sleep also helps keep the stress hormone called cortisol in check. Too much cortisol makes your immune system weak against viruses, bacteria, and other invaders. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night, and try to stick to a consistent schedule. Now, life happens and sometimes we miss out on sleep. And while you can't fully catch up on lost sleep, getting extra sleep on weekends can help a bit. Just don't overdo it. And if you need a quick energy boost, a short nap can be a lifesaver. But remember, naps are like dessert, a nice treat, not a meal replacement. 7th on our list is stress management. You know that feeling when you're running late, your boss is mad, and your dog ate your homework? Yep, that's stress. And it's terrible for your immune system. When you're stressed, your body goes into emergency mode. It releases the stress hormone cortisol. Now, a little cortisol can give your immune system a quick boost. It's like a burst of energy when you need it most. But if your body keeps making cortisol, your immune system gets worn out. Think of your immune system as a top-notch security team. Cortisol is like a false alarm that keeps going off. A few false alarms are okay, but if they never stop, the security team gets tired and confused. It can't fight real threats well, and might even start seeing threats that aren't there, causing inflammation. So take some time to relax. No, you don't need a vacation to Bali, though that would be nice. Just finding small ways to chill out can make a big difference. Try deep breathing, give meditation a go, or walk in nature. Next, hydration. Did you know your body is about 60% water? That's right. And all that water is hard at work keeping you healthy. Your body has this incredible lymphatic system. Think of it as your body's trash collector and defender rolled into one. And guess what? It runs on water. Well, mainly water. This system uses a fluid called lymph, which is 90% water. Without enough fluid, this system slows down. It's like trying to run a car without enough gas. So, how much water do you need? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, which is about 2 liters. If it's hot out or you're exercising, drink even more. Keep a water bottle with you all day and take sips often. Before you know it, you'll be hitting that 8-glass goal. Number 9 is eating antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants are molecules that hunt for troublemakers called free radicals. Think of free radicals like car exhaust. They're a natural byproduct of your body's processes. Your body creates them when you exercise, eat, breathe, or when you're out under the sun. Just like a little exhaust is normal for a car, a few free radicals are fine. But too many? That's like a car spewing black smoke. It can lead to some serious trouble for your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules without an electron, so they try to steal one from your healthy cells. Antioxidants step in and donate an electron to the free radicals, stopping the damage. That's why eating foods rich in antioxidants is good for you. They see to it that free radicals won't cause trouble. One of my favorites is turmeric. It's that yellow spice rich in curcumin that fights inflammation. Think of inflammation like forest fires inside your body. Curcumin acts like a firefighter, putting out these fires. This is vital because low inflammation cuts down your risk of heart disease and diabetes. Getting more antioxidants is as easy as eating a rainbow. Yep, you heard me right. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and veggies. Toss some berries on your cereal, munch on an orange for a snack, or try green tea instead of your usual drink. Remember, every little bit helps. You don't have to overhaul your whole diet overnight. Just adding a few of these antioxidant-rich foods can make a big difference. Last but not least, socialize. Yes, you heard it right. Spending time with loved ones can boost your immune system. When you spend time with people you like, your body relaxes. It's like your stress just melts away. And guess what? Less stress means your immune system can do its job better. It's like giving your inner defender a day off from worry. In 1983, a group of scientists did a study at Alameda County. They want to know how socializing affects population. The group found that people who hung out more with friends, family, or even at church stayed healthier over time. Your relationships can even help you make better health choices. Maybe your spouse reminds you to eat your veggies, or your gym buddy keeps you motivated to exercise. When your loved ones make healthy choices, you're likelier to do the same. So, what can you do? It's simple. Plan a game night with your family. Join a club or volunteer group. Heck, even petting your dog counts. Remember, you don't have to be a social butterfly. Even a little bit of connection can go a long way. It's not about the quantity of your social time, but the quality. And while these tips are great for most people, everyone's body is different. If you have any health conditions or are taking medications, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Which of these immune boosting tips are you excited to try? Comment below and let's chat.